Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be trying out a new facial self tanner. This one is the Bondi Sands Gradual Tan Face Lotion. Super excited. I know this is brand new, it just came out and I had to get my hands on it as soon as I saw that it came out because I thought it would be fun to see what it's all about, try it out together on camera, see what kind of a result I get, and then let you know if I think it's worth your money. So it's gonna be a fun video. Before we get started, please make sure to give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Join the fam. Do not miss out on 3 videos a week, so please make sure you're subscribed. But if you want to see me review this new product, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, obviously I'm not in my normal filming area for my facial self tanners, which is normally at my desk where maybe the lighting is just a tiny bit better. We finally redid our floors up here, so everything is all crazy messy. We just have to like clean the floors up and move everything back into its places, and then I can finally set up my filming space. So I'm really hoping that this weekend we can get all of that done, and hopefully my next few videos will be in a normal setup for filming. So bear with me just a little bit longer. We are almost there. I feel like I've been waiting forever, so I'm really excited to have that done. But back to this, the reason you guys are here. So this is from Bondi Sands. It's a gradual face tanner. I'm really excited to try this actually. Like usual, we are just gonna touch on some of the details and then I'm going to apply it on camera for you guys. I'll give you some of my initial thoughts. I'm gonna sleep on it, let it develop, and then tomorrow I'll show you guys what kind of a result that we got from it. So again, it's the Bondi Sands Everyday Gradual Tanning Milk Face Lotion. It's 1.69 ounces, so you get more than the standard like 1 ounce size, and it goes for $16. So I feel like the pricing is really nice. Some of the highlights, it's vegan, cruelty-free. Experience the perfect blend of daily hydration and glowing skin with Bondi Sands Everyday Gradual Tanning Milk Face Lotion. This all-in-one lotion has been enriched with shea butter to deeply hydrate the skin as well as low-level tanning actives to develop into a gradual tan. Love the shea butter aspect, make my skin feel good, please. And then some of the benefits, perfect blend of daily hydration and glowing skin, enriched with shea butter to deeply hydrate skin, low-level tanning actives to help develop into a gradual tan, dermatologically tested, suitable for sensitive skin, non-comedogenic, so won't clog pores. Fingers crossed, I always worry about that, so I really hope that's true. And then for the how to use, apply like you would any regular self-tan, and then just use daily to ensure golden tan throughout the year. Wash hands after. So we will see what this does for us. As far as packaging goes, I actually do really like the packaging. It stands out, it's unique. I feel like the blue on white is different from what you normally see with a self tanner, so I do really like that. And then opening this up, I love this kind of a pump. I feel like it's so not messy. It's really easy to work with, so I really like the pump. I just like everything about this right now, to be honest. So I think all that's left to do is actually apply the product, and then we'll talk initial details after. So let's get started. Okay, I'm back, and wow, first of all, I was not expecting that formula to be as thick as it is. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love it. Like the second that I started applying it, I was like, oh my gosh, this feels so like hydrating and good on my face. Like I just can't stop rubbing it in. It feels so good. So please excuse me. But oh my gosh, I don't know what I was expecting. Maybe like something a little waterier, but this formula, it's thick, but it doesn't feel thick and gross, if that makes sense. It feels like skincare on my face. It feels like I'm taking care of my skin, but it's really moisturizing and hydrating my skin. So I love the feel of this. Like it feels really nice, and the glow, I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick it up, but the glow that you get after applying is absolutely stunning. I did try to see if there was a smell to it. There's like a little something that I can notice. It's not really good, but it's really subtle, so you wouldn't notice unless you were looking for it. Now that it's on my face, I really don't notice anything, so it's not bothering me at all. Obviously no color as of just yet because it's a clear self tan. So I am going to let this develop overnight just to see what result we get tomorrow. I know this is supposed to be a gradual tan, so I'm not expecting miracles for tomorrow. I'm not gonna expect it to get me like ultra dark, anything like that, but I am expecting to see somewhat of like a flush of color or something to just bring some life back to my face. So I am looking for some kind of result, of course. So far on every other side, smell, everything else though I do really like. Like again, I really like the packaging on this. I love the pump. I love the way that it distributed the product into my hand, and I love the way that you can control how much product comes out, so you don't have to like push this down all the way to get product. If you just want a little bit, just pump out a little bit. So I really like the control that you have, and again, cannot get over the feel. I love the way that it feels on my face. So far I'm excited. I have high hopes that I'm gonna get a pretty little color tomorrow, but obviously we will see. So I am gonna sleep on this, let it do its thing, and then I'll come back tomorrow, show you guys the final result, and let you know if I think it's worth it. So I will see you guys soon. Okay guys, I am back. It's the next day, and here is the tan. So I definitely have some thoughts. I'm gonna start with how I was feeling last night. So I really love the feeling of this self tanner. I feel like it just feels like skincare. Like it felt like a moisturizer on my face. It felt really good. My skin felt hydrated all night long. So I love the feel of it. Yesterday, I know I said the smell I didn't really care for. It was so subtle, it went away. I didn't even notice it throughout the night. So I really liked that. But last night, I was going to sleep and I couldn't breathe through my nose. I don't know if it's like the dust from redoing the floors or if I have allergies or I'm sick or whatever. I don't know what it is. I could not breathe through my nose. So I put a nasal strip on and I was like, well, if there's a big tan line on my face, at least you'll see that I got a tan. So I had a nasal strip on my nose, and then this morning I woke up and I took it off and my nose looks just like the rest of me. So there's no tan. I woke up this morning and I'm like, where is it? I know this is supposed to be a gradual tan, but even with a gradual tan, you should still see some kind of a color. Like, gradual does not mean you get no result. So I was super disappointed when I woke up this morning and I saw literally no color change on my face, and that nasal strip, that was what did it for me, because I'm like, oh my gosh, you literally cannot see where it was on my face. So I'm super disappointed with that. So obviously I'm not the biggest fan. I feel like even though it's only $16, there's other facial self tanners out there in a similar price range that will get you color, even if they're gradual. This one, I feel like, in my opinion, wouldn't be worth the money because you're spending the $16 just to not get any color. Like, you could just get a regular moisturizer at that point. So I'm gonna pass on this one, but that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment and let me know what you think. If you see something I don't, give me your thoughts, but it's a no for me. Like the video for me and stay tuned. I will see you guys in the next video.